I love those natural remedies to problems that you commonly have in the garden.
We've just planted our 3 tomato plants, and I want to put in something that will help protect them from insects. So I've got a couple options. I can put in something like parsley, which has a very strong flavored leaf, or basil, which has the same kind of leaf. Planted here, it's going to help protect them, and a little perk is that I can harvest both the tomatoes and the herbs at the same time, make a great salad.
That sounds great. I've also heard that you can plant marigolds in and around, say, a patio area, and it actually will repel mosquitoes.
That's right. In fact, all of the herbs and pungent smelling flowers like marigolds will do that anywhere in the garden. It's just a great way to tackle those small pesky insects.
Now you're talking about small pests, but some of my problems are with the neighborhood dog next door coming over and disturbing what I've just planted.
Yeah, he might be here tomorrow morning and
Right.
dig this whole thing up, right? What you need to do is just buy yourself a can of cayenne pepper. You're not going to believe that, but you just take it, sprinkle it all around the plants you want to protect, and you'll see, he'll stay away.
Oh, well, there's some great solutions, and if you have some that you'd like to share with us, that you're sure that they really work well, send them to us on our website at DannyLipford.com.